In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scroll animation in Canva. We'll start by opening your design in Canva. Any canvas size works here, so use the project you already have ready, whether it's a post, a presentation slide, or a short video layout. Next, add the text or element you want to animate. This could be a headline, a label, an icon, or even a small graphic. Position it roughly where you'd like it to begin. If it's already on your design, you're set. Just make sure it's selected. With the element selected, look at the top toolbar and click Animate. In the panel that opens, choose Create an Animation. This mode lets you record a simple motion by dragging the element along the path you want. To make a clean, straight scroll effect, hold the Shift key before you drag. Holding Shift locks the movement to a straight line, which is perfect for a vertical or horizontal scrolling look. Drag the text or element in the direction you want it to scroll up for a classic scroll up effect, down for scroll down, or left and right for a marquee style motion. Keep the movement smooth and control the distance you drag will influence how far it travels during the animation. When you're happy with the movement, release the mouse. Canva immediately captures that motion and shows you the scroll animation on your element. You'll see how it flows across the canvas, giving you a quick sense of timing and direction. If you want to refine it, click the element again and go back to Animate. Here, you can adjust the speed to match the pace of your design. Slower speeds feel subtle and professional, while faster speeds add energy and urgency. You'll also find movement style options that control how the animation accelerates and decelerates, so you can make the motion feel smoother, snappier, or more dramatic, depending on your goal. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.